hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So before we get started with this haul, I just want to say that if you have more than one kid, I want to give kudos to you, because my son's cousins have been visiting and they've been pretty much staying with us for Monday through Friday, and then they go back with their dad on weekends. And I was just like overwhelmed and stressed. I'm like, how do people do it? Like the constant cleaning, making sure they have food, taking them outside to play, or taking them, places and all that stuff. It stressed me out. I'm used to my one. I have a 7-year-old and I'm used to that. And I was just like adjusting to pretty much taking care of 3 people total. And I just was so overwhelmed and stressed. Like I could feel me waking up and I'm already like, oh gosh, I gotta, I'm used to my own routine with my own, and it just was like an adjustment. So I just wanted to give kudos to you guys, moms out there, parents out there who are taking more care of more than one. That is hard. Another thing that I wanted to say is Wet n Wild got some of the best lipsticks for really cheap. I usually get my Wet n Wild lipsticks from Amazon. They're like $1.99 and they go on sale a lot. But yeah, so I got this one today. Alright, so I have a haul. Some of the stuff you guys have seen. I realize I don't do hauls as often because sometimes I honestly forget. Like I buy something, stash it in the closet, or if I wear it in a video, I'm like, oh, I forgot to do a haul, and then I'll just forget about it. So I just wanted to do a haul. This is kind of like a summer haul because a lot of this stuff is really colorful. So hubby got me these earrings and I wanted to share with you guys from a Mexican store one time we went. So really pretty. They kind of remind me of like the Kenyan ones, but this ones don't have like the Kenyan flag or anything. I'm Kenyan. But yeah, they're so pretty. And I also, I'm 41 and I thought that my vision kind of was okay for a little bit. And then I started noticing that I guess I needed a stronger prescription. So I had to get new glasses. So these are my my current glasses. Pretty fun. I mean, they're okay. They're cool. Yeah, I needed thicker glasses. That happens when you get older, by the way. Alright, let's get started with the haul. So this one you guys have seen. So it was this see-through dress that I got from Ross. I get a lot of my stuff from Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. It has this layer on top that's see-through, and a slip in the inside. It's very lightweight. When I saw this, I just thought of vacation. I was like, yes, this is so cute with like here go me forgetting how to say a straw bag or something, and just like a big hat and sandals, just walking around having drinks and stuff like that. And you guys are also going to see how they look on the side if you haven't seen them. So I really fell in love with the colors. I'm really trying harder to be trying different stuff than my usual comfort zone. So I'm buying a lot more prints, a lot more like colors. I usually do bright colors though, but I'm trying to just do things a little bit different from my usual. Okay, the next one that I got was this one. This was for a wedding. It's a long dress. You can roll it down, roll down the sleeves and have kind of like, your collarbone showing and stuff like that, like this. I wore this to a graduation. I'm going to have a picture. And I wore this to a wedding about 2 months ago. It's really lightweight. It's long. I'm 5'10", and it was near my ankles. And I just loved how it flowed as I was walking and dancing. It has all the colors, so you could pick like different shoes with it, but it was really cute. It's like a good mom in between dress. I feel like it's appropriate for just about a lot of events that you can go to. So I loved it. Okay, the next thing that I forgot, this was from fall, was these pants. They're almost like bell-bottom pants. They're very stretchy. The waistband is very wide, so it kind of sucks you in. I got them from JCPenney, and I really love how they feel and how they make me look. I really thought they were so cute. You could put like t-shirt, a jean jacket, or you could dress it up with a nice blouse and like put some platforms on and be rocking like you're in the, what was it? Not the 80s, right? The 80s or the 70s? Yeah, so I love those. Okay. The other item I got was this one. This one was SHEIN. This dress is kind of like a summer dress, but it's also reminds me of like a party dress. It's very thin, so you do have to wear something underneath, but it's kind of sexy in a very appropriate way because it just gives you a little bit of something here, right here. So when you wear this, you might have to tape your boobs because, yeah, the way it's kind of made, yeah, you don't want a bra strap showing. So it is super stretchy. You can even go down a size. I love the length on it, but I just feel like it's a little more like maybe you're going out on a date night with your man, or You know, you're going somewhere where there's gonna be a party of some sort and you want to look a little bit sexy but not like trashy. So I fell in love, and the color was just so beautiful. All right, the other one I found, you guys, if you saw my Ross fitting room haul, I got this. I fell in love with this because of the sleeves. Like, it's so big, and also you can move them once again to lower and have like your collarbone showing. It's long in the back, high low, and it has this little detail in the front that really helps keep it, like, it shapes you out really nicely. And I like that you can wear just a lot of colors with this. And you know, you could wear like your jeans with it, and maybe like some black, maybe black wedges or black, like not high heels per se, but it just, I just saw it and I fell in love with it. I was like, oh my god, I gotta grab that. Like, I went back to it, I was looking at it, I'm like, oh, it's so cute. And for $12, I was like, okay, that's a win-win. All right, the last thing, I've used these and abused them. These are all the sandals from Ross. You guys, if you walk around Ross, you're gonna run into them at some point. They're pretty comfy. They do make a weird noise, which is weird. But I love these because I have white feet and they seem to fit me well. As the longer I wear them, the more they become really comfortable. But I like that they had this little detail, and you could wear this with a lot of stuff, especially now that we're in summer. But yeah, I've worn and abused I've abused them. I just love them so much. So yeah, it's pretty much a short haul. And what else can I say? This is it right here. Let me turn it off so you guys don't get blinded by the light. But yeah, you guys can see the difference when I turned it off. It's this lightweight light. I'll leave it down below so you guys can order it, but it really has made a difference in the quality of my videos, and it doesn't really cost that much. So you pretty much clip it onto the area where the camera is on your phone, and the light is super bright, guys, like, and you could adjust it to high and low, and then also switch what tone you want. You guys can see how the difference. So you can do, you see that it changes to different tones. So yeah, very, very useful. If you're starting out, I would recommend this because you could take it with you in your purse or something. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.